Shout out to my dog Luke, getting the beat. Dog Dre, Adam, Mike. Yeah, they say NJ go stupid, I'ma go dumb. Killer B don't feel it, man, I'm so numb. Everyone follow styles, I stick to my old ones. And when they start changing rules, I'll make my own ones. Fuck that, follow the leadership, cause I'm mad kid to tell you what the fuck someone might do with that quick. So why you walk around thinking you cool and talking ass, but just know I'm mentally ahead of you. Not think of that, bitch, but I'm quick to snap with lyrical firework. Been gave my heart away, can still be loved, can't be hurt. Times are hard, bullshit lurks. What goes around comes around, so you keep tripping and falling dirt. Revert back to the basics. When I got my mind on track, you can't trace it. A lot of these dudes trading dollars just to make sense. To face it, I can make my points geometrically adjacent. They say my flow's hot, what color Cajun? Oh, so how my eyes low? Asian, that fire's what I'm blazing. It's so amazing, that diesel in my lungs, I smell like a gas station. One for the folk that know I'ma make it. They just being patient, middle finger to the hating. Two for the girls that think I was chasing. For y'all, I take a shot, so why would I chase it? Three for the family, no shit's fucked up. Now keep your head up, stay strong, we'll make it up somehow. Feel like a seed about to grow to a sunflower. Then you gon' hear the boom, that's the gunpowder. Better watch out, cause boy, I'm coming. No matter how fast you get gone, you running. I don't care, cause your spot's just jumping and my spot's just hopping to the end or something. Fuck that, I'm just skipping, cause I do this. Everybody's talking crazy, that's ludicrous. I'm doing this shit. Who did it better? Who did it better? Cold like a sweater. Ooh, you gon' need that. Shaking like a season, man. You see me, A1 planned up, grand up with the motherfucking hand up to you, girl. Like, what's up? Who's the man now? What? What did you just say? That's her response, like every day. When I'm gone and out in them J's and 2-3s, 2-3-9 lands where I stayed, laid my head at, bed at. You know I keep that shit raw, chit chat, never. Keep that shit on another level. Clever than other motherfuckers and do it better. Ha, NJ.